बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। थ्योरम 12.1.5 which is converse of theorem 12.1.4. Theorem 12.1.4. Any point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from its endpoints. Theorem 12.1.5. Any point inside an angle which is equidistant from its arm is on the bisector of it The converse of this theorem 12.1.4 is the bisector of angle AOB is on point P any point on the bisector of an angle is its given mean angle POR congruent angle POQ its proof PR congruent PQ. Because point P is equidistant from its endpoints, so its proof will be PR congruent PQ. From theorem 12.1.5, any point P inside an angle equidistant from its arms. So the given of theorem 12.1.4 will be proof of theorem 12.1.5 and proof of theorem 12.1.4. P are congruent PQ will be given of theorem 12.1.5. So P are congruent PQ is its given. Point P lies inside an angle AOB such that P are congruent PQ, where PR is perpendicular to the OA. PR is perpendicular OA and PQ is perpendicular OB. When PR perpendicular OA and PQ perpendicular OB, then angle PRO congruent angle PQO angle PRO PQO which are equal to 90 degree. To prove point P is on the bisector of point P is on the bisector of angle AOB. Angle AOB required. Point P is on the bisector of angle AOB means angle POR congruent angle POQ its construction join point P to O join point P2O statement and reasons. In triangle POR, in triangle POR and POQ, the first given angle BRO congruent angle PQO when P are perpendicular OA and PQ perpendicular OB, then angle PRO congruent angle PQO given right angles PO is common in both the triangle PO congruent PO and other given PR congruent PQ with the help of three congruent pairs of component, we make the two triangles congruent. We know that the triangle POR has 6 components in which 3 sides and 3 angles. First side is PO, second side is OR, and third side is PR. Angle 1, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 1, angle 3 and angle 5. Then the total components are 6. And other triangles POQ has also 6 components in which 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 sides, side OP, side OQ and side PQ, and 3 angles, angle 2, 4 and 6, angle 2, 4 and 6. So the two triangles has 6 pairs of congruent components in which 3 can be used for making the two triangles congruent. those pairs which make the two triangles congruent are PR and PQ, which is given angle 1 and angle 2, which is called angle PRO congruent angle PQO. Each angle is 90 degree. And common PO and PO in both the triangles. Then these three pairs make the two triangles congruent. Angle, side, angle, triangle POR congruent, triangle POQ. When one pair is 90 angles, then hypotenuse side congruent. When two triangles become congruent, then the required pair can be found out by using the CP-CT rules. So the three pairs are left, in which OR and OQ we can find out by using the CP-CT rule. Angle 3 and angle 4 can also be found out by using the CP-CT rule. Angle 5 and angle 6 can be found out by using the CP-CT rule. So the required required pairs in which is angle 3 and angle 4. 3 and angle 4 is called angle POR congruent angle POQ. POR congruent POQ, which is equal to angle 3 and angle 4, can be found out by using the CP-CT rule. This factor is our required factor. So the requirement is angle POR and angle POQ can be found out by using the CP-CT rule. Angle 3, angle 4, POR congruent POQ, POR congruent POQ, POR congruent POQ can be found out by using the CP-CT rule. CP-CT mean corresponding parts, mean angles of congruent triangles. So the proof point P is on the bisector of angle AOB, which is our proof